Hey Tom, massive congratulations, really well done. How are you feeling?
Yeah, buzzing, mate. It was a long season, that, and obviously we deserved it in the end. We were the best team, obviously, over 30 games, so absolutely buzzing with it. And it's an unbelievable group to do it with. Everyone stuck together throughout the full year. We've had some tough games where we've come back late and stuff, and so we fully deserved it. Yeah.
What was your favourite moment in the season?
Do you know what? There was a few. Like, I think Preston away was one. That was a big one. Llandudno, first game of the season, getting back to draw as well there, and then winning it last week was incredible as well, with all the fans there. So loads to choose from, and that today was brilliant as well.
I say it's been amazing today, getting the trophy there and all the fans. It's been a great day. Really well.
It deserved for everyone, and fans follow us home and away, and they're brilliant. And then to come out with the voice that they've got there and singing for us, it's incredible to give them that day. So yeah, buzzing.
Great stuff. Congratulations.
Thanks,
and
mate.
See you next year.
Nice one.
Next week.
Yeah, next week. Yeah, nice.